Whether you realize it or not, one day, just like 60 billion people before you, you're gonna die. Yeah, sadly, that's just part of life. You're born, you grow old, you make some mini versions of yourself, and then, well, things kind of go downhill from there. But why? Why aren't we immortal? I mean, if we're talking natural death, not accidents, murders, or anything like that, the answer's simple: aging. No avoiding it. Aging eventually catches up with all of us. Honestly, nobody dies just from getting old. It's all the problems that come with it. You could kind of compare it to cars, actually. The older a car gets, or the more miles it racks up, the more it breaks down and needs repairs. Until something finally goes so wrong that it's basically scrap. And people? Pretty much the same deal. When we're young, life's mostly chill. But as we age, problems start piling up until some critical organ in your body just quit. But why do we even age? Our bodies take damage from all sorts of directions over time. Stuff like UV rays, junk food, smoking, and so on. Anything that moves eventually wears out. People too. The thing is, our bodies, or more specifically the cells that make them up, lose the ability to reproduce over time, which also means they can't really repair themselves properly. As you probably know, cells reproduce by dividing. Every cell has chromosomes, and those chromosomes carry the DNA needed for the cell to make a copy of itself. At the ends of each chromosome, there are things called telomeres. Every time a cell divides, the telomeres get a little shorter. And when they're all used up, which in humans usually happens after about 50 divisions, the cell can't divide anymore and dies. The result? Brittle bones, weaker organs, worse memory, and in some cases even messed up decision-making. Basically, aging. We're all basically programmed to die from the moment we're born. Okay, but why did we evolve this way? Why didn't evolution make it so we could live forever? Well, that's a pretty tricky theoretical question. The short answer is that evolution doesn't really care how long you live. It mostly cares about how well you can reproduce while you're young. After that, doesn't matter. The genes get passed on. Goodbye. Okay, that's kind of how it goes, and the same thing's waiting for you too. You don't know when, but one day it's gonna happen, and it'll probably make you stop and think a bit. When you look back on your life, you'll probably regret some things. You'll regret not spending more time watching dumb YouTube videos, not playing more games, or binge watching your favorite shows over and over again. On the other hand, you'll definitely be grateful for some things too. Lucky you never actually tried everything you wanted and kept putting it off for later. Lucky you cared so much about what other people thought of you and didn't live your own life, but lived according to your family's expectations. And the best part? You regretted having it hard, wasted your life, never tried the things you really wanted. And now, when you're no longer young and your body isn't cooperating, the end is near. It's too late to change it now. Good night.